guys, it's Railway Zone here. Welcome to my 13th video on the channel. Today we're going to see how many trains you can spot at Stepford Central in 15 minutes. So we're going to need to see how many trains we can spot in 15 minutes. They start at 30, so we're going to have to finish at
Platform 10 for the 17:29 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
This is 707062 to Stepford Airport Central, calling at all stations to Stepford Airport Central.
The train now approaching platform 7 terminates here.
There's something wrong. This is 801157 at Stepford Central. I have no idea where I'm heading next. This approaching here on platform
The train
7
now approaching platform 13 terminates here. This train is the service from Stepford Airport Central.
Okay, now I need to head
The
up
train
to
now standing at
platform.
platform 2 is the 1732 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea via Benton. Calling at Benton, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, West Wyvern, and Lynn by the Sea.
Just crashed.
This train is formed of 5 coaches.
Let's see what happens.
First class is located at the rear of the train.
Lynn by Benton fast.
Platform 11 for the 1732 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at City Hospital, Financial Quarter and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
On the new route to Stepford Victoria. Calling
The train now approaching platform 7 terminates here.
Calling at Stepford. Calling at all stations on the new route to Stepford Victoria. Okay, so I wonder which train this is. So the train now here on platform 7 is 36560 from Stepford and Depot. So the next train to arrive should be the
Platform 11 for the 1733 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at City Hospital, Financial Quarter and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Okay, so this is
Your attention please. The 1738 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The train now standing at platform 7 is the 1735 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
The next train is the 1739 or I should say 1735, Stepford Connect train to Port Benton. So if there are no trains that appear after the 1739, then we'll end this challenge. There goes the train at platform 7. This is 36550 on running the 1735 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central on Stepford Connect's oldest route. The next train to arrive should be the 1735 with a 4 minutes delay. Most likely to be a Class 707 to Port Benton, calling at Stepford East, St. Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Port Benton, and Port Benton. The one that should arrive before should be the next train after should be the 1737 with a 2 minute delay, Stepford Express, probably an HST 5 car, class 221 or an 801. The train after is the 1739 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria, calling at City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is most likely to be a class, which is a class 357, obviously. The next train to arrive should be the 1735 Stepford Connect service to Port Benton, calling at all stations towards Port Benton on the Stepford Victoria Port Benton. The train that should arrive before should be the 1737 Stepford Express service from Lynn. Yeah,
The
maybe.
train now approaching platform 3 terminates here.
3. It's a class 801 arriving on platform 3. Arrives on platform 3. Wonder it just left the Stepford depot. Let's check out what class this is. This is 801133. Towards Stepford Central, calling out. I just got double Taylor. Yes.
Platform 11 for the 1739 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria, calling at City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
So it's Stepford Connect. Stepford Connect class 357.
The train now standing at platform 3 is the 1739 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea via Benton, calling at St. Helens Bridge, Benton, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, West Wyvern, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. Your attention, please. The 1751 Airlink service to Stepford Central has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Platform 10 for the 1735 Stepford Connect service to Port Benton, calling at Stepford East, St. Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, and Port Benton. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
This is the 1739 Stepford connect service to Port Benton. The next train that should arrive should be the 1740 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City, calling at all stations on Stepford Victoria, Leighton City. Oh, there's a train with a 10-minute delay, the 1742 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria, arriving with a 10-minute delay. Or actually a 2-minute delay. If no train appears after the 1742 train, then we'll be out. Fun fact, did you know that Stepford Central is based on Waterloo in London? Please also join my group in the comments, linked them that I will put in the comments tomorrow. The next train we should be arriving should be the 1740 and the 42.
Platform 10 for the 1740 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City.
Here we have
Calling at
357,
Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton,
on the new
Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
The next train should be
Platform
the
11 for the 1742 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
If no train appears by 45, we will finish the challenge by then. So the person who gave me this idea was Ragnar Crafter, the Roblox user who's giving me other ideas, but my other idea cannot be done till I finish. Until I reach the rank of DS, and I booked a training session for the service to how many trains I can dispatch, and I will decide before the next train.
Your attention, please.
Should be
The 1800 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Okay, so we're gonna end the video here. So thank you for everybody who is in the server with me. Ask to be a collab in my videos whenever you want to. No worries. No worries. You can just shout in the comments and join my group, which will give the link in the comments. So thank you. So let's see you in the next video.